Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk /f/r c:, and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c:, and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command cd space c:/. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c:/ bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space c:/ -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space c:/ /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.